Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add payment method on iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you want to add payment method on your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your settings app. Very first, I recommend you how to write a check for some settings to prevent any kind of issue. So open your settings app and here just make sure that you're connected to a stable and the strongest network connection. Then go to general section here, scroll down, look for VPN and device management and just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, just go back from here, go to language and region option, select region and select your own region in which you're living. After selecting your region, just go back, go to date and time section and just enable the toggle to set your date and time automatically. Again, go back, go to software update, try to update your software to prevent any kind of issue. After doing this, you have to simply go back, open your app store, and here just tap on your profile option at the top right, tap on your Apple ID, and here you have to verify yourself using your Face ID or your Apple ID password. Then select country or region option from here, and you just have to select your own country or region in which you're living or which you have to select in your iPhone settings. I'm gonna select this one because I already selected this. So now just tap on continue option here and then tap on agree in the top right. And now on this screen you have to add your payment method. So if you have your credit or debit card, you can easily add informations here, or you can use this camera option to scan your credit or debit card, then enter your billing address, your phone number, your name, and after all, just tap on down option at the top right, and your payment method will be successfully added to your Apple ID. So in this way, you can easily add payment method on iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.